need to be certified. That's one of the conditions. We require your decree and the one of your running mate certified. It's not certified. The copies we have are not certified. And also the self-declaration forms for both the presidential aspirant and the running mate need to be signed and commissioned before Commissioner forwards. They are both not signed. So can we give you time to sort out your papers and come around what time? Before 4 o'clock. If you can have this certified, Commissioner forwards to sign the self-declaration forms and commission them. And then these are the only documents we have seen which have issues. Then we can proceed with you around before 4. All right, thank you. So I'll return everything intact and we'll come back before 4. He's coming back before 4.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you. Please go this way.
And be notified of the next step.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention. We are going to take a break as we wait for the next aspirant to come in. Thank you very much.
Let's see whether we can get it for a comment. And he has become the second aspirant to be cleared, and now we have 2 presidential candidates. We'll just want to hear his reaction after these so that he can tell us how the process was. Well, congratulations first for being declared the second presidential candidate in the country. What are your reactions as to how the process was inside there?
Well, thank you so much. IEBC is the commissioners and the team is new. And when I compare how we were handled last elections and this, there's so many presidential aspirants who had the potential and the will to contest or proposed their decisions. They were all received. They were given the conditions. And after the vetting, those who qualified had 1 day with IEBC, last elections. Yeah? This time, up to yesterday 4, we didn't know our fate. Up to yesterday 4. I don't blame them because there are so many things that are supposed to be done other than handling which candidate. I remember some being cleared at 6 last night. And the banks were not open. The bankers check and all this. And you cannot actually, out of the blue, declare yourself a candidate.
Maybe to cut it short,
Yes.
Presidential aspirant Abduba Dida, you have had a situation, your degree certificate, the copy has not been certified, in a self-declaration form has not been signed by a commission of courts. Why so? Didn't you know that you're supposed to do this?
All the copies, the transcripts, yeah, all of them are certified by Kenyatta University. Now what the team did, they photocopied the original certificate, but all the other documents were certified, and they're certified. So it's not a big deal, and you know, some of our staffs are also as new as IEBC. So we will actually go out and certify that and bring them back.
So how soon can you handle that, and what time do you expect to come back?
It is already done. It is already done. It is already done because those who are to certify came. The commissioner of oath came. Yeah. What was not certified was the certificate that the original was not certified. Yeah. and the running mate's declaration, self-declaration. Okay. According to the instructions given, the declaration was last time done by the presidential aspirant, and this time I thought it was the presidential aspirant, but now they said also the running mate has to do it. Okay. But the commissioner of oath who is supposed to do it is part of this team interviewing me. He's already here with his pen and, okay. and probably his stamp.
Your next step from here?
I will go and have a break. Yeah, because I want to give the first lesson. Immediately I'm given my certificate.
So what time do you come back?
And they will call me before 4.
Okay.
Yeah, they'll call me before 4. It's just the stamping. But because of the inconveniences I mentioned, I already ate into the time of schedule for the next candidate. So I'll create some space. And then when it is done, they will call me back.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you so much.